All right, good morning to you. This is the Wednesday, April 9th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We had highs yesterday in a lot of the region in the 60s as you got over east of I-95. Many spots up into the 70s for highs, 50s in the mountains. Temperatures during the 5 o'clock hour this morning sitting in the 40s and 50s all around the region. 49 in Raleigh and Charlotte at 48, 51 in Greensboro, 42 in Boone. 50s along the Carolina coast. Had some shower activity develop as we went through the night, and that has continued to work generally off to the east, roughly along the Interstate 95 corridor, give or take 100 miles this morning at the time I'm cutting this video. Even a few flashes of lightning down into eastern South Carolina and southeastern North Carolina. And pretty interesting weather day yesterday down into Mississippi and Louisiana. This was the radar through about noon to 7 p.m. yesterday. Had a pretty good round of thunderstorms develop there through Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. Many of those storms produced some small hail. Many of those symbols you see plotted on this map, those are hail reports from yesterday. Even had some gusty winds with some of those thunderstorms as well. And the reason those storms formed was due to cold temperatures aloft underneath a big upper air trough that's moving in. In fact, I'll show you the water vapor imagery in just a moment. You can see that very clearly, but here's the setup today. Surface low just off the Carolina coast moving eastward, but it's really the upper air trough on the back side of that will give some scattered showers and thunderstorms to our region today. And those will quickly fall apart as we lose the heating of the day. Now, here's the water vapor imagery. If you look carefully, you can see that counterclockwise swirl moving through Louisiana, Mississippi, into Alabama. And that will get overhead here in the Carolinas and coincide with the heating of the day. And due to those cold temperatures aloft, we'll see some areas of showers and thunderstorms to develop. We'll see some areas of showers and storms develop, rather. Again, it's going to be a possibility that some of those storms around here could produce some small hail due to those very cold temperatures aloft. So there's your opportunity for some showers and storms scattered around the region today. Not a huge deal. They won't last long, but don't be shocked if you see a little bit of hail in some spots this afternoon. After that, smooth sailing. High pressure overhead tomorrow. The next cold front kind of loses steam just off to the north of us, and the weather looks very, very quiet and very nice Thursday, Friday, and guess what? The weekend looks fantastic as well. Southwesterly flow in place all around the region. Generally a good amount of sunshine, mild temperatures, highs this weekend, upper 70s and lower 80s in many locations across the region. And then we gear up for our next big storm system taking shape Monday morning over the Mississippi Valley. That'll then swing eastward and bring us pretty good chances for some showers and storms here in the Carolinas by later Monday and into parts of Tuesday. A little bit more on the modeling here. There's your European upper air chart for today. And again, underneath that upper air trough, some pretty cold temperatures aloft, driving that chance of scattered showers and storms. And then here's that next system arriving as we get into next week. Now, as far as today is concerned, well, actually, there's your storm reports from yesterday that I showed you. And as far as today is concerned, no formal severe weather outlook, but as mentioned, would not be shocked at all if there was a little bit of hail in a few spots across the region this afternoon. Now, as you get out to next week, the European model Tuesday, and it's a little bit slower than the GFS, but the bottom line is late Monday into early Tuesday. Pretty good chance of some showers and storms next week. And then it looks pretty cool behind that system. Wednesday, Thursday of next week, probably some below average high and low temperatures. We'll have to see how far below average we wind up being. But it does look like a relatively cool push of air for the middle part of next week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.